This video covers CryEngine versus Unreal Engine, two powerhouse game engines. Choosing the right engine can dramatically impact your game's visuals and performance without unnecessary complexity. We'll briefly touch on what sets these two apart. CryEngine and Unreal Engine are both advanced platforms for game development. The core difference lies in their approach. CryEngine focuses on photorealistic environments and high-fidelity visuals, while Unreal Engine offers a more versatile toolset and broader community support. CryEngine is a powerful game engine known for delivering stunning, realistic graphics, especially in natural environments. It operates with a real-time rendering system that excels in detailed lighting, shadows, and complex physics simulations. Developers use CryEngine's visual scripting and C++ support to build immersive worlds. Its strengths include superior environmental effects and a robust audio system, making it ideal for visually demanding games. However, CryEngine has a steeper learning curve and a smaller user community compared to competitors, which can limit access to tutorials and plugins. It also requires high-end hardware to run efficiently, which might challenge smaller studios or indie developers. CryEngine suits experienced developers focused on creating photorealistic, high-performance games with complex environmental interactions. Unreal Engine is a widely adopted game engine praised for its versatility and user-friendly interface. It supports both visual scripting through blueprints and traditional C++ coding, offering flexibility for beginners and professionals alike. Unreal Engine's strengths include a vast marketplace of assets, extensive documentation, and an active global community. It supports cutting-edge graphics and real-time ray tracing, enabling developers to create visually impressive games across genres. While it requires significant system resources, it scales from indie projects to AAA titles. The engine also integrates smoothly with popular tools and platforms, accelerating development workflows. Limitations can include occasional complexity in mastering advanced features and licensing considerations for commercial projects. Unreal Engine is ideal for developers seeking a balance between powerful graphics, ease of use, and extensive support, making it a top choice for a wide range of game types. Comparing CryEngine and Unreal Engine reveals distinct trade-offs. CryEngine outperforms in creating hyper-realistic outdoor environments and detailed physics, but demands more technical expertise and powerful hardware. Unreal Engine offers broader flexibility, a massive asset library, and a supportive community, making it easier to start and scale projects. For example, a developer focused on photorealistic simulations might prefer CryEngine, while a team aiming for rapid prototyping and cross-platform release benefits from Unreal Engine's ecosystem. CryEngine's smaller community can slow down troubleshooting, whereas Unreal's widespread use ensures abundant resources. Both engines deliver high-quality visuals, but choosing depends on project scope, team experience, and target platforms. Choose CryEngine if your priority is ultra-realistic graphics and complex environmental effects, and your team has the experience and hardware to support it. Unreal Engine is recommended for developers seeking versatility, extensive support, and a smoother learning curve. Its broad feature set and community make it ideal for most projects, from indie games to AAA titles, ensuring efficient development and impressive results.